1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2.
You can see me.
Okay, it doesn't matter. Okay. So this is
That was the
dancing
TV.
with the decaf. You probably can't hear that, so it's dancing with the decaf.
Dancing with the
Decaf.
Decaf.
Okay, so first, no, it's my turn first. I'm gonna do what's called seizure. Seizure. Amy's turn. That's the shopping cart. I died! Jasmine's turn. Okay, so Jasmine chooses the lawnmower. So I go, I'll get it. Amy's turn. And that was called the giggler. Do you know how the Carlton goes?
No.
You know the dance?
Do the safety dance.
I don't know the same dance. This is called improv. Oh, the funky. This thing.
Isn't that like the can opener or
I
something?
don't know what it's called, but it's awesome.
I don't know how to do that.
Do it, do it.
How do you do it? Ah!
No, okay. Right hand here, and go. Yeah,
I can't do that.
do it. Okay, do a funky chicken.
Gobble, gobble, gobble.
I think that's it.
Dancing with the decaf.
We were